This is how I spent my last days in Greece. Am I ready to go to Asia? This is how I felt. I'm SARA. I quit my previous life to start this amazing journey. I'm cycling all the way towards Asia alone from my hometown in Spain. I want to show you the world from my bike and share my journey as I live it and as I see it, without a fixed destination and no time frame. Hit subscribe to watch raw adventure videos every week. This is the place. The mosque is there, then the priest lives upstairs, and this is the room, like the playground, I say that. See, there's a kitchen out there, and the bathroom is there. That small white thing you see there. And it's time to go. What time is it now? 12. I know, 2 p.m. I'm starting the route at 2 p.m. But today it's easy, 45 kilometers and a bit of mountain, and then I will reach the sea. Sorry, because I'm having some mineral tablets in my mouth. Do you see that small mountain? So behind it is the sea. Now I have like 8 kilometers of a bit uphill, maybe 100 meters, 150, and then I will see the sea, and I will cross several villages until reaching Alexandroupoli. I'm not going to lie to you, but I took the easiest path to reach the sea. I did the change last minute. If you've seen my second video of North Macedonia, cycling the west, I think you would understand. But anyway, I think my last days of flat ride are these days in Greece, because the first part of Turkey, the European side of Turkey, is pretty mountainous, and I think the whole Turkey is pretty mountainous, and with the mountains, the cold and everything, you know, I just want some days of easy ride. This place looks a little bit like a desert. It looks very, very dry. Okay, with some vegetation, but it looks very dry. I don't know how hot it is right now, maybe 28, 30, 32 degrees. But we are almost in the middle of October, so I don't want to imagine how I would be cycling here in the middle of August. It should be really, really hot. A restaurant owner on the first day cycling in Greece told me that these small churches, like these small churches in the middle of the road, there are like plenty of them. He told me that they build that whenever there is an accident. Yeah, I think that must be the longest hill, and then we are at the sea. I'm finally descending. Look, the sea and an island over there. So I think I've made a good decision to take another path very last minute, but just when I arrived to the beach, there was a family there having a barbecue, having like a late lunch over the weekend, and they just invited me over, you know, like come, and I said okay, and at the end I stayed a couple of hours with them. The family was very nice, 2 of them spoke English, so it's very nice. And the ride along the sea well, you can see. I think it's worth it, right? With the sunset at the back. And see the colors. Look at the view. It's super nice with that light. Let's go, it's getting late. Maybe there's a wedding going on. I think so. I don't like to ride at this time of the night. It's creepy, lots of dogs. The dogs get more scary, I get more scary. But I'm about to join the main road now, so it should be easier. I'm still 10 or 15 kilometers from Alexandroupoli. So scary. I think this is the first time on this journey that I'm riding at night. So today I couldn't find any host in Alexandroupoli, not even by asking on Instagram or in a Facebook group, nothing. So I'm staying here. It's not a camping site, but a lot of camper vans come here. This is a camper van, like a converted bus into a van, and I'm going to sleep here tonight. There are several, so the views are nice. It's not raining, the weather is perfect, so I think it will be okay. Today I didn't sleep bad at all, and look at the view. The bike is here. How do you do the laundry when you wild camp? Just like this. There is a shower in the bar over there behind it, and I have this is like how do we say, it's like a waterproof bag, but I use it for washing my clothes sometimes, not often. I think it's the second time I use it, but in situations like this one it's pretty useful. My pants are there, and then I will do the second round of laundry. I'm having my lunch here, so I'm sitting here because I wanted a bit of shadow, and there's a lot of wind also, so I'm sitting on the opposite side, no, on the same side as the wind flows. I'm using this as a table. I miss a table sometimes, and I also miss a roof because it's too windy here, so sometimes it's not easy, but I have to adapt, right? So I'm having lunch here. It's time for a proper shower. So this is the place I stayed for 2 nights. Finally, I had a really good rest actually. And today is the 13th of October. It's 9:15. I wanted to leave at 8, but one thing led to another, and I'm still here, but we are about to leave. That is the beach, Alexandroupoli, it's like 1 kilometer away, and I'm 53 kilometers from the border. I have to say I'm a bit nervous. These days I've been a bit nervous before starting this journey. The first country I was nervous about was Turkey, and I still are. I've heard some experiences of women. Okay, some are really good and some are not really bad, but not positive, right? So I'm worried a little bit because of the fact that I'm cycling alone, and we will see. I will form my own ideas and I will tell you my experience in Turkey. The weather is nice, there's not so many cars. So far, the ride, it's easy, it's fine, enjoyable. Okay, I'm probably not allowed to record this, but look at my ride. So many war planes, or I don't know how to call them. But I've seen several of them these days flying over Alexandroupoli. I don't know. We'll see. I think I just had my first flat tire in the wheel on the back. I pumped it this morning because it was pretty weak, and I feel like the bike is not stable anymore. So I might have to change it now. The first one! And the day I'm gonna cross to Turkey. Hi, what a coincidence. Turkey! We are less than 15 kilometers away. Nothing really special on this road. Some wind in front of my face, solar panels, draft. That's it. 10 kilometers to Turkey. Last few kilometers. Look at that big hill. Oh my god. Can you see Turkey? That's Turkey. I see a red flag waving like a few kilometers from here. Okay, it's time to go. I'm still a bit nervous. There's so many trucks here. Maybe they are queuing to cross the border? I don't know. For sure, I'm not going to follow the queue. Turkey? Turkey. Here, right? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. 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 Have a good day. Bye. La, la, la. Cars on the left. Is it okay? Ah. Thank you, thank you. Excuse me, can I go? Okay. May I? Can I go first? Can I go first? Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me, can I go first? Thank you. Can I go first? One passport check done. super weird. There are like checkpoints on one side of the bridge and checkpoints on the other side. This is weird. We will see. Well, I think I'm going to turn off the camera to not get in trouble, just in case. There's a big military here. Oh, I can take a picture here. Yay!